guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix you cannot message for 3 days problem into your Instagram messages. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, before going into the solution, let's talk about the problem. First of all, whenever you break the community guidelines or Instagram assumes that you have broken the community guidelines, this kind of issue will occur. Now, in order to solve this issue, if you really have broken the guidelines of Instagram, there is no way to solve this issue, unfortunately. But if Instagram got the wrong idea about your message, you can do one thing. In order to do the solution, just simply click into this 3 bars and from there click to this report a problem. Then explain your issue into this box. You can write something like this into here, and then you can also add a screenshot file of your issue, and after doing all that, click to this send report button. Then this report of your issue will successfully be sent to the officials of the Instagram and your problem will most likely be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.